मेरा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बहुत अच्छा है, आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा.
What the fuck?
Look at that face. What's up, bitches? No, I shouldn't say that, right?
Say
What's up, guys?
hi.
Look at this. Hey, what is this? Who's driving? What's going on? What's happening? Who are you? Shruti, who are you?
What's happening?
Maybe you can explain to them where we're going and what
I
we're doing
actually
today.
don't know where exactly we are going because Jason just came home last night and he's like, we are going for breakfast tomorrow morning, and he never really says about breakfast because we both are people who need our breakfast like as soon as we wake up. So he just said like we are going to a breakfast place, though it is like almost like 11:45, almost 12, so it's going to be a brunch for us. But yeah, I'm excited.
Let's go. We'll see you over there.
I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my god, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime Kanye.
Excited because I love fruits. I don't know if you guys know that. I love fruits, and anything which has fruits in it, Mama likes. So yummy, my tummy.
What up, my winner? Big ups, my winner. We up, my winner. You lame or winner. We get your winners. 'Cause I'm that winner, 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 winner. I'm that winner. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. Somehow this thing turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this.
This is legit dessert. It's so cold, and because it's so hot right now outside, this just feels like heaven.
So the thing is that now we are going to Outlet Village.
Yeah, because we picked the wrong day to do adventurous shit. Because today, it's like Eid holidays have already started. It's
So Shruti is driving, so Shruti doesn't know how to talk while driving.
yeah.
Girls are supposed to
Okay, now
multitask.
I have to take a ride.
Yes, get to the
What I do,
street.
what I do. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. Somehow this thing turned into Freaky
Shruti is
Friday.
about to arrive in destination. Bitch lady Shruti on the phone.
Okay, I am a bitch lady when I am driving because I am a new driver. I am hella nervous about the traffic and everything. So I'm really sorry. I mean, it's just my nerves being bitchy. I think that's understandable. So don't
The thing is, we can
don't
forgive
poke
you.
me at that time.
We can forgive you because we are your fans.
You're my family, bitch.
I'm your fam, yeah. But I was
Shut
talking
the
about your fans.
Shut the fuck up. So because it's Eid holidays right now, not a lot of places are open. So this was a mall which we hadn't discovered or explored yet. So we are now at Outlet Village, right outside Outlet Village, and apparently this is where all the deals are at. So let's go check it out.
I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my god, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime.
That is what you are to me.
Oh my god, that's so flattering.
Oh, see, like Dubai Mall, they also have a fountain show here.
So I think this place is,
Why you gotta be so white?
it's a little bit European. White people and so in such, in the frame. See, it's looking a little bit European.
Woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my god, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on
What's
my
over
neck.
here?
I found someone taller than me. Who's modeling better?
money exchange. I hope they exchange my 200 rupee shirt also. Let's see.
Yeah. Let's see what they'll exchange.
Let's see if they exchange you. Let's
Can
see
I
if
exchange this white boy for
they
someone?
exchange you also. Let's see.
Yeah, I want to exchange this white boy.
Hey, Shruti.
Hey.
What is up here?
Mont Blanc. But I don't understand why would I pay something which has blank or blanc in it. I would rather go to Boss. Hugo Boss.
Bosslady.
Yes. Because that looks like a place befitting for a boss lady. Well, it says buy more, save more. Buy 3, get 10. Buy 4, get 15. Buy 5, get 20. Well, I think buy none and get 100% off.
Calvin Klein. Klein means small in Dutch. Why not Calvin Big?
Exactly.
Calvin Big, right?
Yeah. Have to match up to your stature, right?
Now this is one shop. There's no way we're not going to enter.
How can I not go?
There's no way we're not going to enter.
Choice but to turn this thing sideways.
What is the sale on?
Freaky Friday on in Chris Brown's body. Yeah, it's Freaky Friday. Yeah, it's Freaky Friday. I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime Kanye. I told him I'm his biggest fan, yeah. Got all these hoes in my DMs. Hold up. OMG, I got a kid.
I just shopped like a freaking maniac. I don't even know how much I spent. I mean, I know how much I spent at Sephora. But check out the description box for a fun giveaway. I think I've already spent all my money. I have no money for anything else now. Whatever else my rich husband wants to buy me, I'm okay with that. Let's check out Aldo.
Yes. Are you super dry?
I am. I obviously cannot say I'm super wet, but I am super happy because I did a little more damage at Aldo. So they had this offer, 2 for 39 and 5 for 79 dirhams. Obviously this bitch had to get like 5 things for 79 dirhams. And I think I got some really cool like accessories. So yeah, keep an eye out for them on my Instagram posts.
But I see a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini chalai janiyo, Lamborghini chalai janiyo. I don't know why people like that song. I mean, it's a cute song, but I'm not a big fan of it. Just say.
Wow, Steve is quite mad. He's become mad.
And he's so mad that he's giving buy one get one free offers. How mad is he? Steve, like, don't go broke like that.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Drive lady Shruti.
Drive lady.
Chauffeur. Chauffeurs.
I'm Jason's personal chauffeur.
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 In 500 meters, slight left.
Slide left, Shruti.
Slide left to La Pita Resort.
No, we don't slide in the end, we slide left.
Apparently, Jason has found out an Indian restaurant called Golgappa.
Something like that.
Yeah. So with a name like that, you know this Pani Puri maniac is excited about going to that place and checking it out. And the map says that it's 4 minutes away. And
You have a green light also.
I got a green light also.
God damn.
Sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. Yeah, it's Freaky Friday.
What's up?
We are now at Riverland. I actually had no idea that this even existed. This honestly feels like another global village sort of a place.
Yeah, this entrance is similar.
Yeah, because the architecture of it is very, very similar. And this is where Golgappa is. So I hope it's open because today is the last day of Ramadan.
So where are we right now?
We are at Bol Gappa and मैं आज भी टूटे हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता.
What does that mean?
Okay. It's a very famous line from a very cult Indian Bollywood movie.
Yeah, I saw here they have like this menu where you have to guess. You have to guess which movie it is.
मेरा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बहुत अच्छा है, आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा. True story, my life story right now.
So as you can see here, it's packed.
It's so packed.
It's
I don't
Ramadan.
even know if you're going to get decent service right now.
Yeah, it's Ramadan, so it's packed.
Yeah, today is the last day of Ramadan and the menu actually looks kind of interesting. So let's order some food and see how it looks and tastes.
Sometimes I feel like I need something to fill me up. I frown when I'm down. I'm homebound, but I keep looking round. Make my way to the kitchen and I say, do we still have some fried chicken? 'Cause I wanna stuff my face with chocolate burgers, fries and shake. I don't care about my weight. I wanna later tweet about how much I ate. Oh, food won't break your heart like a person would. Food actually satisfies you like he never could. Food doesn't mind being spooned. Food can bring you back to a good mood. All you need is food, and it'll be alright. Though your jeans may
Shruti, what is happening?
I don't know what is happening, but my tummy definitely says that it's very, very happy right now with the food that we had at Bol Gappa. Bollywood food gossip.
Shruti just learned that over here, what parks do we have over here?
We have Bollywood Parks Dubai.
And what else?
Sheila ki jawani, I'm too sexy for you. मैं तेरे हाथ में आनी.
Yalla. Into Diva.
Yes, to Diva. She's been alone a little, like almost for the whole day today. So back to my little munchkin. Hi guys. So we reached home and we forgot to end the vlog. So here we are and I had a lot of fun and that Sephora sale was very unexpected and I literally couldn't believe my eyes when I saw like everything was for like less than 20 dirhams and like I think the most I paid for was 40 dirhams and that was for like a Kat Von D eyeliner. So I'm like, I like these prices. I felt like I've gone to Beautiful in Bombay Andheri, honestly. And like I had mentioned earlier in the vlog, please see the description box below because I definitely have a very interesting giveaway for you guys. And yes, what do they have to do, Jason, now?
So you guys, you have to comment and like.
Yes.
And if you like such videos, don't forget to also hit that notification bell because if you do that, then every time she makes a new video, you're getting notified.
Yes.
Okay? So that's very
And it's
nice.
for free! Move!
It's for free also. Yeah.
And what are we supposed to do at the end of the video?
We have to keep it bossy.
Keep it bossy.